we celebrate the special occasion of the inauguration of the Silver Jubilee Block and Nuclear Medicine Facility at Justice K. Hegde Charitable Hospital. It's our bounden duty to thank all those, first and foremost, our deepest gratitude to our beloved Chancellor, Sri N. V. Hegde, for presiding over this function. You all know that he is so passionate about all those things happen in these institutions, and the name of a place has become today not just national but at the global level. It is recognized as Center of Excellence in Higher Education, Research and Extension Services. Sir, we are extremely grateful to you for having not only participating in this event but guiding us at every stage. We started with a small school with just 14 students, and as you said, the number of students has crossed now 40,000. Now in this journey, your contribution has been substantial. Thank you for guiding us, and thank you for ensuring that NITTE grows as a global brand. I am also grateful to Madam Sujata Hegde, who is attending this program, and also Captain Prasanna Hegde with his wife, and we also find Asha Ajila and Rupa Hegde and many members of our Chancellor's family. Thank you all for being part of this function. A very special thanks to Sri U.T. Khader. He mentioned about water, road, electricity and so many other things. If at all this region, we are all happy about these facilities, we must be grateful to him. And Honorable Speaker of the Karnataka Legislative Assembly has inaugurated our Silver Jubilee Block. Thank you so much for inaugurating that. As an eminent son of the soil, you all know, Mr. Khader has always made us feel proud about the way he behaved himself. By his words and by his deeds, he is a role model for many. And sir, your inspiring words and unwavering commitment to public service has been a great motivation for all of us. Thank you for being part of this function. We are immensely grateful to Sri Dinesh Gunduram ji, Honorable Minister for Health and Family Welfare, for inaugurating the PET scan and nuclear medicine facility. Sir, your exemplary leadership in health and family welfare is truly inspiring, and we are deeply honored by your presence and support. We look forward to your support and guidance even in the days to come. In Canada, I must say for both of them, both the leaders who are here, I must say that in Canada there is a saying like Sarala Sajjanikeya Sakara Rupa. Both of you are like that. We are very proud of that, and we wish that in the days to come you will move forward and you will still make us very, very proud. Ladies and gentlemen, a sincere thanks to Dr. Shantaram Shetty, who is behind all of our activities, is due. Similarly, Sri Vishal Hegde, who guides us in administration of all the endeavors we have at the university, all the new thoughts and all the new ideas and the implementation of these ideas, and ensuring that they have an impactful end. That is something both our Pro-Chancellors, Dr. Shantaram Shetty and Sri Vishal Hegde, do. I thank you, both of you, for being here and guiding us. I place and record my appreciation for the participation of Dr. Satish Kumar Bandari, Dr. Mogaraya, Dr. Prakash, who could not make it to the event, Dean of the Medical College, and heads of institutions and all the senior functionaries and the functional directors of the university, then heads of various departments, and all our colleagues who are with us today. Thank you so much. I would also like to recognize the tireless efforts of the project team which implemented this, including Dr. Meenu Mohan, I don't know where she is, consultant in charge of the Department of Nuclear Medicine, the engineers who have tirelessly worked on this, and contractors who have worked diligently to complete the Silver Jubilee Block and install the PET scan facility. Your expertise and hard work are truly commendable. Ladies and gentlemen, to our dedicated faculty, staff and students, we need thank you for your patience, cooperation and enthusiasm. Let me also thank the members of the press who have gathered in large number here, both the electronic and print media. Lastly, I would like to thank each and everyone whom I have not mentioned possibly, for being here today and for your continued support. together we have achieved a significant milestone that will greatly benefit our community and enhance the capabilities of Justice K. Sidney Charitable Hospital. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Adi D'Souza. From the nursing staff, Sharada Jia. To attend the Sankappa Shetty. Sridhar P.M. Vajrakshi. Padmavati. Delphi D'Souza. Anil Kumar Sadev. Suresh Bhatt. Joseph Petty. Tejas Singh. Dharna. Pushpalata. Prabhavati. Kamalakshi. Pushpa Mukesh. Vimala. Meenakshi. Catherine D'Souza. Sunita Yu. Kavita. Surekha. Asha Lata. Charlotte D'Souza. Kalavati. Gladys M. Krasta. Joyce D'Souza. Ramesh. Lakshman. Sarita. लीना कुमारी, कविता शेट्टी, ममता राय, सुमना शेट्टी, सरिता शेट्टी, ग्रेसी सिक्वेरा, Aida Mascarenas, Daphne, Riza Fernandez, NC Prema, Mariamma MJ, Alga Helen, K. Tejakshi, KP Daisy, Cecilia, Rina Rebecca, Sukanya Moili, Jayashree P, Balakrishna C, Dharnappa Kular, Lata Shetty, Harinakshi Shetty, Sumana D, Prashant R, Melvin Krasta, Vasudeva Bhatt, Vaman K, Venkatesh Kotia, Kishore B, Ganesh Rai, Sharish, Devi Prasad Shetty, Kishore D, Umesh D, Dinesh Vaya, Monappa, Chandrasekhar M, Jay Prakash R. Shetty. Miss Rita D'Souza. Dr. Sandeep Rai. We should all give a huge round of applause to all these great souls for their dedication.
It was the first the dental college which they started. As a matter of fact, before that he started a polytechnic in Nitte. And I will have to tell you that Vinay was the most enterprising person in our family. Without telling anybody, without fuss, he started the establishment here. First he started dental college, then medical college, then foundry. First he started Lamina Industries, and then foundry, and then medical college, then Nitte University. Similarly, he started one in Bangalore. So he was the most enterprising person in our family. As a matter of fact, after doing his BSc, he said, I am not going to work. I am not going to study. But he joined, I think it was a workshop as a sales manager, and from there he came up to this stage. I would say, in our whole family, he was the most enterprising person. Of course, then next is Guru Prasad Aditya. He is the one who gave support to Vinaya and T.R. Shenai. And I remember how Lamina Springs was started in Bangalore, what all they went through. Guru was looking after the sales, foreign sales. And one day he was in Paris, one day he was in London. Then he used to arrange our trip, saying that we should go to London and Paris and all these places. But I don't, and of course I am one of the beneficiaries of that. When the foundry was started, when I asked me to be the managing director of the foundry, where I worked for 31 years, I was in Nitte going every day to Nitte. So these are my first memories of my of Vinaya, and yeah, my first memory of Vinaya is my father thrashing him. My father, even though he was justice, he had no sense of justice. Whenever some noise was there, whoever was first there, he used to hit it. And normally it was Vinaya. So, and of course I got the list, and I remember sisters. I think Asha Jilla got the only sister who got some little bit of thrashing. Well, that's all I can recall without rubbing somebody on the wrong side. Thank you very much.
I apologize for the mistake. As we continued our series of exciting and enriching activities and competitions, cultural presentations and performances for staff and students in the hospital. And to give away these awards, may I now call upon Srimati Asha Ajila onto the stage, please. Rita P. from housekeeping. Paul Yogita and Susmita. Second prize in group singing, Judy Rodriguez and team. Judy, Sharal, Vinoda, Kavya, Navina and Tanuja. Essay competition. First prize, Namita. Second prize, KK Yashoda. Essay competition, English, Dr. Arya S. Second prize to Dr. Pratiksha Rai. Skit and Mind Show, Pranita and team, along with Vandana, Suchitra, Shalini, Divya and Ramila. Second prize goes to Shruta and team, Shruta Shetty, Akila, Sushma and Shiva. Third prize shared by Jancy and team and Judy and team. Healthy cooking, Dr. Vidya Lakshmi and Samantha. Second prize, Paka Darshana, Pharmacology, Dr. Shruti, Dr. Suraksha and Dr. Venkat. Second prize, Kanya, Dr. Rupa and Dr. Priya. Melanie. Green Goodness, third prize in physiology. Pramila. First prize, NCIMR. Shared second prize, Marketing, Akshay Jason.
Jason.
For essay in Kannada, Manjuna and Dr. Sai Geeta. For skit and mind, Dr. Marina Saldana and Mr. Vivian De Silva. For healthy cooking without fire, Dr. Seema Pavaman, Dr. Prerna Hegde, Mr. Prasad. For dance competitions, solo and in group, Dr. Chiju Rafi, Miss Shruta. For each poster competition, for the third prize in e-poster competition, Dr. Arya S.
This is a surprise for me also. I'm not prepared for the speech. Anyway, I'm so happy that I got this opportunity. Grateful to my brother Vinay Hegde. And this being my father's birthday, I wish all the institution and the staff all the best. May God bless all of them. Thank you, Vinay.
Good morning. Captain Hegde, Dr. Shantaram Shetty, my friend Guru Prasad Agantaya, Dr. Madithaya, Vice Chancellor of this university, senior members of the District Education Trust, former employees of KSK Medical Academy and District Education Trust. I'm not going to speak too many words here, because yesterday also I had an occasion to express myself. But few things I would like to tell. A lot of people say that responsible for building this institution. There are two people possibly never mentioned in all these functions. One was Dr. N.R. Shetty. N.R. Shetty was the principal of NITK Surathkal. One of the first institutions we started with the Polytechnic at Nitte, and the other one was the Nitte Malinadenta Engineering College at Nitte. The contribution he did for building this institution was immense, maybe little more than what I have contributed. And then he moved to Bangalore as the Vice Chancellor of Bangalore University. And after we started the campus there, he looked after the entire campus. Maybe the Bangalore campus is as large as this campus. All the growth, the scientific way it has been built, possibly was only due to Dr. N.R. Shetty. The other person possibly I can never forget is late Mr. Anand Rao. The younger people may not know him. Maybe Nitte Education Trust, not connected, possibly not connected with the Nitte Deemed University. But in the initial stage, when N.R. Shetty and myself got into the field of education, most of the work was done by him. If the people would have asked me, I would have been very, very happy if Anand Rao was, his son is still here, he's a doctor in the outskirts of Surathkal. I would have been very happy. Because then there were not so many people as I have now. Singly with Prasanna Day and Anand Rao did all the odd works, including writing letters. Now we have a Vice Chancellor, we have registrars, we have multiple people. But Anand Rao singularly did it. You also must understand, N.R. Shetty was also part of the NITK. Because of that, possibly he didn't have that much of time in the initial stage. So entire work, office work, writing letters to ministry, writing letters to statutory bodies, everything was done by Anand Rao. Now after 25 years, 30 years, the younger generation have completely forgotten him. So I feel, sometimes I feel sad that we are not recognizing the contribution he has done. Maybe not for him and Dr. N.R. Shetty, this university would not have come. Today, N.R. Shetty is the person who is looking after the Bangalore campus. But I still remember Anand Rao affectionately, much more than that. The respect I have for him is something which cannot be explained. Today's function, possibly you are celebrating the 25th year of the KSMT Medical Academy. Maybe you also want to celebrate Founders Day on behalf of KSMT Medical College. KSMT Medical College, the first principal was Dr. Shantaram Shetty, and then Shantaram Shetty took over as the Vice Chancellor of the Nitte University. First he was the Vice Chancellor of the Dental College alone. Oh, sorry, I also forgot another person who has greatly helped us to put it, Dr. Sridhar Shetty. I don't know why he is not here. He is another person who did lot of work for us. And he was also the President of the Dental Council of India. And he also has done lot of contribution. And sometimes I feel, maybe after some years, my name also may not be mentioned in a function which may be conducted in this institution. To me, Dr. N.R. Shetty, Anand Rao, and Dr. Sridhar Shetty are the tall personalities who helped us to create this institution. So when people say that I have built this institution, possibly it's not correct. Largely these institutions are due to the three men I suggested. And this is our occasion when you are going to remember late Justice K.S. Singh. Late Justice K. Setty was a very strong personality. Came from a very rural background. He has his own method of looking at it. I come from a family, we inherit our surname, we inherit our first name, everything from our mother. But K. Setty, maybe about 1909, did not put his mother's place. He put his father's surname. And K is not, they put K. Kauru Sadanandegde. But K. Setty, really his mother is from Irmadi. And I also did not know that his mother was from Irmadi because none of us maybe had a mind. I don't remember that. So I think many things pass by in life, and the contribution of K. Setty is largely because of K. Setty's role, without directly involving himself with the affairs of Net Education Trust. Why people helped? People helped us because the founder of that institution was K. Setty. His good name, everywhere we went, we had a cordial welcome. You'll be surprised. Today we are having about 40 institutions, maybe 40,000 students. It is unbelievable that in a short period in the life of an institution, which is 40 years old, maybe what my colleagues have achieved is something beyond somebody can imagine. And I thank Shantaram Shetty and a few other people who were part of the first batch, that part of this institution for the last 30 years. You may be surprised why Mr. Vishal Hegde is not here. Vishal Hegde, he is the managing director of Lavender Foundries. There was a minor, I don't know now, minor or major accident in the factory. He came to the hospital to garden K. Setty statue, and he directly went there. So I also want you to remember that it's not that he didn't want to come here. He did not come for a specific reason. He did not come. Today, if you ask me, what makes you remember this place? To me, this place is a great place because one is I carry a surname or the first name as Niti. Second part is the fact that all the institutions come under the same name. So possibly I'm missing something. I also did not mention about Guru. Guru and myself have been business partners, possibly from the year Guru, which year? And he is also the founder trustee of Net Education Trust. He is also the president of the Net University Trust. And silently does work. And Captain Hegde mentioned that he is his PRO to find his foreign destination visits, introducing him to people, etc., etc. So I think it is a teamwork. It is not any individual doing it. Neither me. Maybe Anna Shetty has a very important role. Maybe Anand Rao had a very, very important role. But others, rest of us all were doing good work for the institution. We were drawing salary. But Anna Shetty didn't draw any salary. He was doing everything honorary, and up to his moving to Bangalore, he had role in all the institutions which has grown here. I'm speaking about other people who were with me from the beginning of the trust. I'm not referring to any person who came afterwards. As far as the medical college is concerned, Shantaram had a major role. Dr. K. Shetty had a very major role. Unfortunately, he died some months back. So these are people I remember. I remember large number of people who came up to the stage, who have served here for the last 25 years, and I very affectionately remember them. The younger people are, I don't know, few I know, few I don't know. Supriya, for example, I know she is my niece, so I know her very closely. But rest of them, yes and no. In conclusion, I would like to tell you, it's the privilege of the Education Trust that we have hundreds of people who are dedicated to this institution. I sincerely believe you have a major role in building this institution. Leaders like Shantaram, Vice Chancellor, they have a major role, yes, but it is your service which has ensured that a great institution has come. Maybe among the newer medical colleges, I don't know whether I should say or not, this is possibly the best medical college in Bangalore or out of Bangalore. So I would not like to speak much because I have a problem standing and speaking. The last word is, I profusely thank you, all of you. Maybe there are about 3,000 colleagues I have. Maybe we have about 40,000 students at multiple places. Vice Chancellor mentioned Bangalore. Bangalore may be as large as Nitte and Pedagogy, where the campus has about 15,000 students learning now. So there are multiple things I can name. One person I would like to specifically mention, who is the single person who helped you to get this medical college. The single person who helped us to get the medical college against the will of the government was late Ramakrishna. Single-handedly he convinced the medical council to give and close contact with Mr. Advani, but he could not do it. It was Ramakrishna Hegde, possibly single-handedly, what you are seeing, what you are enjoying. Definitely, if somebody had a major role, it's late Mr. Ramakrishna Hegde. And again, I will not forget, because he is one personality. I think he also inaugurated the foundry of which Captain Hegde was the managing director. So I would not like to dwell into this. I do not want to dwell about myself or dwell about my institution, because we have enjoyed it, and I saw all 25 people who have served for 25 years. When they came in and took their recognition, they did namaste to me, because they recognized me. Possibly many of them I did not recognize, but they did recognize. But the other people, they don't even know me, because I'm a very rare visitor to this place. So, ladies and gentlemen, I thank you and wish younger people all the best, and I believe you will take this institution to greater heights.
Let us once again acknowledge the contribution of our founder, late Justice K. Hegde, who's wishing a heartfelt gratitude to everyone who has contributed to the success of this event.
It is my proud privilege to present the vote of thanks on the occasion of the Founders' Day 2024 and Silver Jubilee celebration. Not enough, but that is the least that we can do for him. It's from our heartfelt gratitude that we say thank you, and I'm sure that our Chancellor will accept that. An idea which originated from our founder, Justice K. Hegde, many years ago, and was carefully nurtured and built upon by our Honorable Chancellor, Shri Vinay Hegde, has now become this great tree of Nitte University and Justice K. Hegde and its constituent colleges. Hence, I would like to thank our founder, Justice K. Hegde, although we have not met him, but we see his reflection in our Chancellor, for his great idea, which has resulted in all of us gathering here and having a wonderful career for so many years and many more years to come. So thank you, sir, for that wonderful opportunity that you have given each one of us, although we have not met you, but in Honorable Chancellor, we see your reach. Our Honorable Chancellor, Shri Vinay Hegde, who is the backbone of Justice K. Hegde Institute, and whose hard work and dedication, compassion and foresightedness has now become Nitte University. He has led us from the front, and we wish that he will be leading us for many more years to come, and we will progress in your guidance to much more heights. Our guests today, who have gathered today, especially Captain Prasanna Hegde, Shri Guru Prasad Adentaya and Srimati Asha Ajila, Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir, for coming here and honoring us with your presence. Our beloved Pro-Chancellor, Professor Dr. Shantaram Shetty, has always been with us and excelled both as a clinician and as an administrator. Under his able guidance and advice, our institution has achieved great heights, and we are here today at this height. I thank you, sir, for your guidance and for your advice. I would also like to thank our Pro-Chancellor, Shri Vishal Hegde, who is unfortunately not here today with us, but for reasons, of course, you've heard. He's constantly been with us. He's helped us to lead this institution to greater heights. He's always approachable, he's kind-hearted, and he gives us a patient hearing whenever we have any problems and we approach him. So thank you, sir, for being with us and for leading us. Our Vice Chancellor, Professor Dr. M.S. Modikai, has constantly worked for the betterment of this institution, and under his guidance and advice, I am sure we will reach even greater heights. Our Dean, Dr. P.S. Prakash, who is not there today for personal reason. Our Vice Dean, Dr. J.P. Shetty. Our Medical Superintendent, Dr. Suma Shetty, and our Registrar, Dr. Harsha Halvi. These are people whom we are actually interacting every day, and they've been very kind. I don't mention all the awardees who got the awards today, who got the appreciation. They are the backbone who actually helped us to grow to this extent. I've worked with many one of them, and I personally know each one of them because they have helped me in my career as they've helped a lot of other people. Thank you for all the people who have spent 25 years here to help our institution to grow. The other staff, doctors, clinicians, and paraclinical staff, and nursing staff and ancillary staff, who are actually the persons who do the work here, and we are getting the benefit of that kind of work. Also, I would like to thank all the invited guests, dignitaries, and others who have gathered here and whom I am not able to personally mention. But thank you for all the people who made this function a great occasion and a memorable one. Thank you, one and all.